Hi girls, this is Shehla. I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going out on a wedding in the afternoon. So I have done my eyes in a classic brown smoky gold eyes, and you have seen a previous tutorial of that as well. So we're going to do the rest of the face. We're going to use Dior Glow Maximizer. So just a little bit here and there. Brush, especially on the top parts. We will stay there. Here where we need the highlighting most, we will go in with the Glow Maximizer. It has a natural nice sheen. You can see this criminal bump here, like I got one of those pimples which I rarely get. We are going to work on that coverage as well, so you can see what we can do. For that we will use a mixture of my concealer and a Charlotte Tilbury actor. It looks like this. I mix it like this under the eyes, over the top here to conceal the redness and the darkness here, some of the darkness here, here. Use a brush like this by MAC. Help really well with spreading the product. So in one way, if you can see, it's already starting to look better. I'm going to use Huda Beauty Sticks. These are the new products. I am using the shade Cream Brulee. I have used them once or twice before, and what I have noticed is that it oxidizes. It's a beautiful coverage stick. What you can do if it oxidizes, I will go one shade lighter next time when I buy the stick, and this time I will tell you how to do the trick. I will take my foundation brush, go in bit of the neck. At this time this shade is perfect for me, but last time I put it on, I noticed that in about hour or so the color was very dark for my skin. So that means that the foundation oxidizes badly. So we need something to combat that, and we will do that too. Going in here and there, covering, spreading the foundation away from the face into the hairline. Ears you cannot forget, neck you cannot forget. We can see these acne spots. For that I will be using Stay Naked by Urban Decay. This is my current love. I am using it and on my spots for extra concealing, and I find this product extra amazing. I love it. Just spread out as needed. You can see how well this is covered now. There is a bump, but I can do nothing about it now. Application of the powder. I will be using Charlotte Tilbury in shade 2. For that I will take my brush, Bright Cosmetics brush, tap off the excess, and I will go in on top of everything that we have applied. Color pop, I will run through. I am giving the time for my foundation, my concealer and my powder to melt in during that time. And just pull it through. Leave it like this. For the contour, Fenty contour stick. I find it really amazing. Spread out into the hair. You can use a smaller brush, contour around, because this one on top, it is a very lightweight dark powder. It sets the cream in place. I'm going to wear red lipstick today, using Sweet Enough from MAC. Looks like this. I will take the same on the same contour. No fallout basically. Okay. Go on to the top and above the contour. Top and above the contour. Give the lift to my cheekbone, which is practically very round. A highlighter, a brush like this. I'm using Natasha Denona. I need a nude glow, so it's a very nude highlighter. Like that. On the lashes, and I will be back. So when all of it is done and we know that our foundation is going to go a bit darker, we will take a concealer, then our natural skin tone, like spread out this concealer. Lightness will combat if there is any of the oxidizing of the foundation. I think we did a very good job at doing that. Like this brush to blend out the edges nicely. So that's the finished look of today's makeup. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was something different for you to learn. We'll be doing more learning tutorials and experiences for you. This is how the eyes look, and I will be sharing the final pictures of this look. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Just Makeup Reviews. Please subscribe to my Instagram, Just Makeup Reviews. Love you, darling.